Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss open for tomorrow, Monday. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is just for education purposes, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, guys, let's just discuss open because it pulled back early on in Friday. However, we have this trend is forming lately. As you can see here, we have this huge flag, and right now the price is accumulating inside of it. And hopefully on the pre-market by Monday, we might have a retest for the 1097. So you see, this is what we should expect if we have a breakout from this flag from above. If we went down, we might retest the $8.48. So both of these levels is exactly around almost 15%. From down is almost 10%, from above is 15%. So we are technically in the midway for this play. So for tomorrow, Monday, guys, watch out for this current flag here between, as you can see here, between the 840 and the 1197. But the breakouts should happen around this level. So around pre-market, we should have a test for the $10.26 will be the first sign that we might have a recovery, and of course go toward the 1188 and the 1330, which is the new level for open. Otherwise, if we don't have this breakout around pre-market and retest this level, the first sign of breakout, which is the 1026, and breaking this flag, we have the other scenario is pulling back down. And the first sign for that, of course, the $8.48 is the main support. However, this the sign that we gonna have like a breakout for the flag down on the bearish side is the 920. So we are really near between the breakout around the $10.26 and $9.20. So we have kind of four levels. The strongest levels is around the $10.97 for the squeeze up and the $8.42 for squeeze down. So even if we test the $8.42 and pull back, this could be bouncing momentum up, and of course reversal around the $8.42. If we broke this level, it means yes, we're gonna have a recorrection down toward the 742 and would be the first leg of bearish sign for open. But for now, we still inside this accumulation zone over the 920, and we're gonna confirm it by tomorrow, of course, in the pre-market, guys. Watch out for the open pre-market because we're gonna discuss it early on Discord and Patreon. Of course, we always do update before the market open by 3 hours. So the link comment section below, guys, if you want to join us on our Discord and Patreon community. In the meantime, see you tomorrow on our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open, guys, as usual. Put the notification on, and of course subscribe to never miss my future update for open on the other stock. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.